let's take a quick look at this Netflix. This is a US stocks. This is a US stocks. I have taught you several times, when you are analyzing market, when you are looking into the market, there is something that I call current transactions. When we are talking about current transaction, it is an areas where money is flowing in and out within a specific time frame. Do you get? Within a specific time frame. So looking at this market now, let's say I'm actually using weekly time frame to explain this market, and how to analyze market. So now, if you look at this weekly time frame, we see that this is where the market change. This is where the market change trend line. Now we are considering trend line. The market dropped down here, and this is an area the market change trend line. Do you get? This is an area the market change trend line. So between this place and this place is your current transaction. Do you get? And this is the place that the market begin to retrace. So between the place that the market change directions and the place that it started to retrace is your current transaction. So you treat these areas as your current transactions area. You treat this area. So anything that you are doing, any technical analysis that you want to do here, it has to be within this area, started from here and then here. So any technical analysis that you are going to do, it has to be within these areas. You get? This is what I call current transactions. So in doing that, we are going to mark our discount and then our premiums. You get? This is our discount and then this is our premiums. The discount is where the money begin to flow into the market. This is where the money begin to flow into the market, moving up, down to this place. Now at the retracement point here, which is our premiums. The premiums is where the money begin to flow out of the market. Do you get? So we call the premiums at where the money begin to flow out of the market. Do you get that? Flow out of the market. Do you get that? So now we might label this place at point A. We label this place as point A. Here is point A, and then up here is our point B. We label this place at our point B. Do you get? This is our point B, right? We label that place at our point B. Now we are targeting point C. Now if you can identify your point A and then point C, now the point C is the pivot between point A and then point B. You get? So we are going to take our measurement from point A to point B. From point A to point B, can you see? So to point A and then point B. Now we have found our point C to be around this point. We have found our point C to be around this point because we say point C is the distance between point A and then point B. So this is our point. This is our point C, right? So this is our point C. So this is our point C, right? Yeah. So that is our point C. Now our point C, we have found our point C. Now how do we know that the outflow is going to stop at this point C? How do we know that the outflow is going to stop at this point C? Now there is a technology or there is a technique to use identify if the market is going to stop at this point C or not. So we screw back to the higher time frame, which is monthly, to see. Now the reason why we say that this market is going to stop at this point C is that the differences between A and B is above the moving average. That shows that point C, the outflow between A and B is going to stop at point C.